scheduling content to only play on specific days, times, and date ranges. Go ahead and select the calendar icon on the image you'd like to schedule. I'd like this image to begin playing on the 1st of the new year, and I'd like it to stop playing on the 31st of January 2024. If I hit save, this image will play when my screen is on between January 1st and January 31st. However, I only want this to play from noon to 6 p.m. So now, my image will only play between noon and 6 p.m. from January 1st to January 31st. I can take this a step further by saying I'd only like it to play on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Now, my image will only play on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays between the hours of noon and 6 p.m. and it will only follow the schedule between January 1st and January 31st. When you're done scheduling, you can go ahead and hit save, and you'll notice that this item is now scheduled. And then you can go and schedule all of the other pieces of content that you would like.